Clap for yourselves. Wow, I did that.
You should be your own cheerleader.
Absolutely.
Hi guys, so this is Aditi. She's my friend and she has done masters in clinical psychology and is working as a school psychologist. So today's topic is going to be about attachment styles. So Aditi, my first question is, what is the meaning of attachment styles? Could you just brief us about it?
So attachment, so the word attachment is basically, the time we are born, our first attachment is with our parents because they are the only ones who are in front of us. They are the only ones who hold us, who kiss us. And more than parents, I feel the mother's part is, very vital into this. From 0 to 7 years of age, our first attachment bond is with our mothers. And that is how we develop our adult cognitive and emotional bonds as well. As emotional development is all about how you react, how you feel, how you are with others. So how do you understand others as well? So emotional intelligence is not only about awareness about yourself but about others as well.
So what are the types of attachment styles?
Okay, so the first type is the secure attachment style. Secure attachment style is, so basically these attachment styles have been categorized by your anxiety and avoidance. Okay, so the secure attachment style, people with this style, they are very low on anxiety as well as avoidance. So ideally, this is a very ideal attachment style.
Yeah.
These people are they hold themselves with regards to, positive self-image. They are very confident. They are trustworthy. They can really get connected to people. They are open with ideas. And these people so basically secure attachment style is all about loving yourself and others as well.
So this is like, probably you can consider this as one of the most desirable attachment styles. And even if you are not in this category now, you feel you can always work on yourself and be motivated and get motivated, work on yourself, love yourself, and you know that you are worth it.
So you know what? So exactly, now in mental health, we have a new trend coming of self-love, self-acceptance, and that is so important.
I know.
Because most of the times what we are taught is to, love others, be kind to others, accept others. But seldom somebody tells us that, you need to do that for yourself too.
Very important.
Yeah, so that is the main necessity right now. That's the main need of the hour right now. So yes, self-love and self-acceptance is the primary need for each and everybody of us, no matter what your gender is, no matter what your age is. So
now what's the next type?
So the next style is preoccupied attachment style. People get very, what we call is clingy, greedy, needy for relationships. They just want relationships. They get very controlling. And most of the times these people will do stuff for others. They will help others. They will try and support others. But it is due to their own inner needs and not because they are very genuine and they want to help out somebody. It's because they want to satisfy their own need, and that is the reason they'll do stuff for others which will make them
feel worthy,
right,
validating oneself through helping others, right. Basically.
So they are very vulnerable when it comes to self-worth. They always need appreciation, they always need affection. So they're like, if somebody always go and tell them कि आज आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, तो they want that because they don't believe in themselves. So even if I tell you कि नहीं तू खरंच you are looking very nice, they won't believe that, but they need that validation, as you rightly said.
What's the third attachment style now?
So third attachment style is the dismissive avoidant style. In this style, the avoidance is high, whereas the anxiety is low. Okay. So these people are very self-confident, very self-reliant, and they enjoy their independence. They always want that independence, and due to this reason, they have very low intimacy, low commitment, and these people won't really care कि दूसरे लोग अपने बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, because they think I am the boss. And they'll just behave accordingly in every situation. So be it in office, be it in personal life, be it with friends. So ऐसे लोगों में I think most of the times they won't have really good friends because they are always dominating, and they always feel that it's okay if only I am there. They won't feel the need to build on relationships and intimacy.
Why such attachment style basically develops? What are the problems that a person might be facing in childhood because of which this attachment style develops?
So as I said earlier, our first attachment is with our parents, and
Right.
especially with our moms. Till at least the age of 1-2 years of age, the baby needs his mother continuously, no matter what. But if the mother is not present, the child doesn't know that there is something. At least we need somebody, or there is a need to be held, to be loved, to be cared for. So that is how the pattern is set, and that is how people think. So probably that might be the case, matlab ki people think that they haven't seen it basically in their childhood. These people haven't seen कि you need people to be around you. Need somebody to care for you, to hug you, to kiss you, because that has not been the case when the child actually needed it.
Right.
So probably that might cause the adult version of this style.
Guys, this attachment style, I won't say it is it is not a very bad attachment style, but it is not a very desirable attachment style also. It's good that you are confident, you are self-reliable and independent. That is obviously a good thing. And what Aditi explained right now about this style, that you think that you are only the person you should rely on and there's no need of anyone else. Honestly guys, we are humans, we are mammals. Mammals का character क्या होता है आपको पता है ना? Mammals need to be in a herd one time or the other, so you need people in order to animals. Exactly.
We basically are. That is our primary need, to be with people, to be around with people.
Exactly. So even if you have gone through some difficult times right now, especially with people, maybe friends or relationships, हमारा attitude वैसे ही हो जाता है कि forget this shit, I'm okay on my own, and all that, all that ego part comes up, and that is how some people might even develop such kind of behaviors.
Right.
But that coming out of such situations in this way is not a positive way, I would say. This is a negative way.
Fourth style, which is the last style of this attachment style thing. So it's fearful avoidant style. In this, the person has high avoidance and high anxiety. So they are always fearful. They always fear, the rejection part. So they feel even if I go and talk to somebody, they won't like me. They'll reject me, and that fear, that stress keeps them away from people. So they do not really get into any intimate relationship, and they don't get close to anybody because they feel they are not going to be liked. And the primary reason, as we talked about it initially, is because they don't love themselves enough. That is the reason they feel nobody else is going to love them. So yet again we'll come to that point that self-love is, you go anywhere, everywhere. Self-love is the utmost thing that each and everybody of us needs right now, and that is going to keep you sane. That is going to keep you going. Yeah,
I think we can say that these attachment styles may surface according to the situations which we go through.
Yeah, absolutely. They surface on your level of anxiety and avoidance. Yet again, I will say that because these attachment styles are based on these two aspects. So ये ऐसे होने ही वाला है. It is not going to be a very discrete thing कि अभी मैं secure attachment में हूँ तो मैं हमेशा secure attachment में ही रहूँगी. ये नहीं हो सकता. So it's a continuous process.
Strong people also break down, so you are not going to be secure every time. It's a life की journey ऐसी होती है, ऊपर नीचे. That is how the ECG also goes.
Yeah.
A straight line it means that you are dead. You have no life.
Right.
You have absolutely no life. Okay, so this was really interesting and very it was a very nice insight into all this.
The third जो मैंने बोला कि
Dismissive, avoidant
है, these people are very on their own, so even if they are into their workplace they won't really care कि as a group, as a team अपने को क्या चाहिए, what is our aim to achieve this. They'll be like मुझे ये करना है मैं करूँगा types. So most of the times you know you hear also कि ऐसे if for example IT company है and there is a group task, so these people are going to be very dominating. They'll be like नहीं यही करना है because या फिर they won't go into the team activity only. They'll be like मैं ये अकेले कर देता हूँ. So they won't really get along people and they won't enjoy the process.
Okay.
The fourth is fearful avoidant. So इसमें people do not seek any relationship only. They are very afraid. Even if somebody you know just gets very close to them, they will not trust them कि ये इतना क्यों अच्छा बन रहा है. So even you know that thinking is eventually going to pop up in their mind and they will just run away from any relationship. They just don't want to get close to anybody. So be it in office, be it in you know friend circle. And most of the times ये लोगों में जो friend circle उनका होता है, जो कोई आसपास होते हैं लोग, they feel this category people are very distant and they are very hostile, or you know they don't really मतलब emotional needs का they don't support emotional needs, each other's emotional needs. So that is the reason फिर एक एक करके friends भी थोड़ा दूर हो जाएंगे कि रहने दो बाबा. So try and be kind to them and so that you know they understand the value of it.
And you being kind to others is obviously going to even increase your own self-confidence. So just be kind, don't be too much giving, of course. Otherwise you will fall into that second category of us, preoccupied. So please, so make sure that you have some.
Understand all our life is all about being aware about ourselves, what we need, what others need. So it's all about being aware. So कुछ भी ज़्यादा हो जाए तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ भी कम हो जाए तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. So just be aware, just be mindful with what you are doing. Have set intentions कि एक आप चीज़ कर रहे हो तो क्यों कर रहे हो. You should know the reason behind it. So that will help you, you know, get your target achieved.
This was very interesting, like probably one of the best podcasts ever. This was very interesting, you guys. If you want more information on this, or you want to consult anyone, if you're finding yourself similar to some categories because of which you might be having problems in your life, consult a psychologist. You can consult her also. She's a psychologist. She will help you or guide you through what you are going and why you are going and how you should be coping up with it. It is very important to understand this, because that is the only way we can thrive in life and go ahead in life in a positive way. Don't be, because we usually come up with many emotions because of some situations, may it be hatred, may it be jealousy, may it be lack of confidence, losing oneself's identity when we hit rock bottom. It's a very bad phase of our lives which everyone goes through in one day, in one time or the other. So coming out of such situations in a positive way is what we want to encourage through this podcast basically. And in order to come out of these situations, it is important for us to understand this aspect of psychology of ours. So this is just an informative video again.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
This is just the transfer of information. What we have, we are giving to you. This does not mean that this might be true for you, because as I said, there are too many things and too many layers to each of the style that we have discussed. So this is nothing to be, you cannot conclude anything with this. So
please do follow her on Instagram. I'll put the link down below. Please make sure, and please mera bhi follow karo Instagram channel please, and YouTube ko subscribe karo please. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.